Attention business owners, a canceled fleet deal presents a great opportunity for you. Save over $10,000 today on a 2024 Ram 2500 ProMaster van, 159-inch wheelbase, high roof. Own it today at only $44,638. That's a savings of over $10,000. And these vehicles are technically used, but have less than 100 miles on them, and we can ship these vans anywhere in North America. These vans are perfectly equipped for most businesses, including the Mopar cargo area lighting, a wood floor, the upfitter's prep package, a storage group, and a whole lot more. Please contact the Low Payment King soon, call us toll free, or check out hundreds of vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials at lowpaymentkings.com. And if you're not already enrolled in our Business Link program, we can get you enrolled today for free. Again, we have stores in Michigan, Ohio, and Florida. We can ship these vans and other vehicles across America.